and welcome to a new colouring book haul. Today I've got some pretty exciting colouring books to open. These have all come from abroad because I was unable to get them in the UK. So this first two I got from Etsy, and then I've got another package that I purchased from Yes Asia. So this one took a couple of weeks to arrive. So I'm going to get them open, and I'm going to start with this one here. Now this is from Cool Craft Books on Etsy. And it looks really Christmassy with the lovely tape around the edge. Oh, so we've got some cute little stickers for free. And then this is the books. Now I have had a package from these before in the past, and it was beautifully wrapped, so I'm presuming this one will be as well. And yeah, it is beautifully wrapped with a cute little ribbon on the front. You can probably see through what it is. Okay. So it's The Villain's Son by Tomislav Tomic. I didn't have a copy of this. I never got a copy of it, and I've been wanting it for quite a while, so I finally got around to getting it. And I also got this, which is the same book. It's got the same pictures, but it's just a different version by a different publisher. So the original one, Villain's Son, it's just more of these absolutely beautiful pictures by Tomislav Tomic. It's a follow-on from the Zelma Snova book. If you're not familiar with the Zelma Snova, this was the first book. It's very popular. Most people will have probably heard of it or already have it. I've done a couple of pictures in it. That was the first one that I did, and there's a video of that on my channel if you'd like to see it. And then the next one I did was the title page, and there's quite a few videos on this channel of that as well. I broke this one down into a few different tutorials on separate items in the picture. So that's that one. So like I said, this was the follow-on book. It's a lot thinner than the original. As you can see, there's not as many pictures in it, but it's such high quality artwork. It really is worth the money because it's just outstanding. And this one also comes with a fold out poster size, which is just absolutely beautiful. It would take a long time to complete, but it's gorgeous. And then this one is the Dutch version of Villain's Son, so it's got all the same pictures, but this book's a lot thicker, and the reason is a lot of them are just printed on one side only, and it's a different paper as well, so that's why I wanted this version as well, because they're just printed on one side only. Most of them are. Like that one isn't. If it's a double spread, then some of the pictures are back to back like this, but the majority of them are just on one side, so that's why I wanted that version as well. So I also purchased the Drommenvanger, I think you pronounce it, and so this is the Dutch version of the Zelma Snova. So it's, like I say, it's a different paper. So I'm just absolutely delighted to have both versions of both books. Okay, so that's the first package. Okay, so now I'll get into this larger package. So this one's from Yes Asia, which is like a worldwide, they deliver worldwide. It's free delivery as well, but you do have to spend over a certain amount to get that free delivery. You can't just get one colouring book and get free delivery on that. So I think you have to spend around, I think it was around $40 if I remember rightly. And there's a lot of colouring books on that site that you just can't get hold of. A lot of Japanese and Chinese colouring books. Okay, so the first book is this one, which is My Colourful Town. So it's not the, obviously not the English version. I did have a copy of the English version. I actually returned it to Amazon. It was a lot smaller than this one, and I always regret returning it, but at the time I don't know what was wrong with me. I just thought it's very similar to Romantic Country, and I bought a lot of colouring books at the same time, and I didn't like a few of them, so I was sending a few of them back, and I sent that one back as well, and I've always regretted sending it back, and now you can't get hold of it. So I finally found it on this site. It's just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So anyhow, I didn't realise it was going to be a larger book, so that's good. So I've got it now anyhow. And then this one also by the same artist, and this is I think it's I'm not sure what it's called in English. It's something about the rooms. So this is like My Colourful Town. This is like My Rooms. So they're all like inside pictures of the rooms inside the house, I think. Yeah, looks like it. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous pictures. And there is another book about the shops, so I might get that one, and then I've got all three in the collection. And then the last book is this Flower Fairies one. As you'll probably already know, I'm a massive Flower Fairies fan. I do have another Flower Fairy colouring book, but this is a completely different one. It's absolutely beautiful. Just check this out. Look at that, it's just absolutely gorgeous. Just absolutely adore the Flower Fairies. So it's colour and line art book. So it's slightly grayscale. So you've got a little hint there of where the shading goes. And then you get the actual picture to copy as well if you want to copy the colours. So that's the picture, and that's the colouring. And again, I've literally just painted that picture there, wait and see. I just finished painting it last night. I copied it off this little postcard here, and that's my version, so it's in here as well. If you want to watch me painting this, it's going up on my other channel, The Art Spirits, and it's probably going up tomorrow, which will be Friday the 23rd of November, and it'll be the same day that this video goes out that you're watching now. So I'll get to paint it again. Just absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. The big pages will take a long time to colour. Well, look at that one, all blue. Isn't it gorgeous? Okay, so that's that one. And the last package, which also came from Etsy. I can't remember the name of the seller. But there was quite a lot of sellers selling the same thing. And it's a postcard book called Waltzes for the Seasons. And I haven't actually seen this yet. And it's from the same artist that did these two books, Menuet de Bonheur and Rhapsody in the Forest. I'm sure a lot of you will be familiar with those beautiful, beautiful books. So this is the third item that the artist has released, and it's a postcard book this time. And I think I heard that it's the pictures out of this book, these books. So I don't know if they're new pictures, but you can see just how beautiful it is. And look at that. That is just absolutely gorgeous. So they're on quite thick card, and you get room on the back to write a message, and then they're perforated at the edges so you can tear them out. Oh, and these ones are perforated down the middle so you can just do little tiny ones. Oh, they're so cute. Look at that. And that's the back. Oh, these are so lovely. Oh, so some of them are the full size and some of them are half size. And they're gorgeous. No, I don't think I recognise these pictures. I think they're new pictures. Oh, they're gorgeous. I'm really pleased with that. There's some Christmassy ones as well. Oh, beautiful. Okay, so that's my latest colouring book haul. I've got some more. I've got another colouring book haul coming shortly because I've bought quite a lot of books lately. So there'll be another one coming in the next week or so. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you have. And please click the little bell icon as well.